Today we are going to learn how to ask and answer the question, what age are you in Irish? Ken, ish, who? Ken, ish, who? Ken, ish, who? What age are you? To answer this question, you will begin with the two words ta, me. Ta me, which means I am. If you are 11, you will say ta me aon Bliain jeag dish. Ta me aon Bliain jeag dish. This means I am 11. However, to break this down, the word aon means 1, the word Bliain means year, and jeag is the equivalent of adding 10 to that, dish of age. So what you're actually saying is I am 1 year and 10 of age. In proper English, I am 11 years old. Ta me aon Bliain jeag dish. It is good to remember this structure because when we change the age from 11 to 12, we only have to change the word aon to ya. So to say I am 12 years old, we say ta me ya Bliain jeag dish. Ta me ya Bliain jeag dish. You will notice that when we are saying I am 13, 14, 15 or 16, this word Bliain changes slightly. It has now changed to the word Bliana. So when we say I am 13 years old, we say ta me trí bliana jeag dish. Ta me trí bliana jeag dish. It is the same for 14, 15 and 16. The only word that changes is the first number. Aon, ya, trí, and now for 14 it becomes Kera. So to say I am 14 years old, we say ta me Kera bliana jeag dish. Ta me Kera bliana jeag dish. For 15, the word changes to cuig. Ta me cuig bliana jeag dish. For 16, it changes to sé. Ta me sé bliana jeag dish. And now another slight change. For 17 and 18, the word bliana becomes mbliana. Mbliana. So to say I am 17 years old, we say ta me seacht mbliana jeag dish. Ta me seacht mbliana jeag dish. And for I am 18 years old, ta me ocht mbliana jeag dish. Ta me ocht mbliana jeag dish. To recap from the beginning, ta me aon Bliain jeag dish. Ta me ya Bliain jeag dish. Ta me trí bliana jeag dish. Ta me Kera bliana jeag dish. Ta me cuig bliana jeag dish. Tá mé sé bliana déag díos. Tá mé seacht mbliana déag díos. And tá mé ocht mbliana déag díos. One other important fact that you should note at this stage is that if we leave this word jag out of the sentence and, for example, say tá mé aon bhliain díos, that would mean I am one, because we have left the word jag representing the 10 out of the sentence. So tá mé ja bhliain díos would mean I am 2, and so on for each of the numbers 13 to 18. Leaving this word jag out makes it a small number.